admin column. So this is something that Paul and I agree should be part of the WordPress system already, because all it really does is allow you to manage and organize different columns to display inside of WordPress. So when you go into the Pages tab or Pages page of WordPress, then you usually see not much information, just date updated, name of the page, maybe just a link. But if you use admin columns, you can see a whole lot more information. Author of the page, when it was created, so many different things. So we like to use it because it just adds that extra level of customizability when it comes to your WordPress installation, and we recommend that you do too, because it doesn't come with the WordPress system itself. It's an actual it's an add-on, it's a plugin. So adding it to your site makes it more customizable, and I think should be part of the basic vanilla WordPress system. That's how good it is.